said, why your body so big but your voice so small? I don't like that.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity if you are new here, and thank you for clicking on this video, girl. But yes, today is another weekend vlog. As I'm editing this video, I noticed that I do not have an intro, so this is the intro to this video. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. I just stopped halfway. I'm halfway to my destination, and I just stopped to get something to eat. I'm ready to turn up with my girl. The last time we went out, my birthday in 2020. So it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fun. Say hey, Asia.
I need to put my face on, honey. You folks ain't gonna play with you folks today. It's okay, I'm gonna find me an outfit. What you wearing, Trina? What you wearing? Cause I gotta get my shit together. Do we need to listen to some music?
Oh gosh, yes, listen to some music. I don't know. What you watching? Julia Roberts, Pretty Woman.
Pretty Woman. What is that?
Never had this.
Nasty?
You know I like Riscotto, but I ain't never had Riscotto Gold. I just got dressed, so I'm gonna have to find a mirror in here, a full-length mirror, so y'all can see the outfit of the night. Yeah, I'm just refreshing my makeup right now, and I just did a little something to my hair, put some more mousse on it so it can be a little wet and wavy type thing. Just putting on my e.l.f. Pink Cosmo lip gloss. This one from Black Radiance. It's just powder. Like at nighttime, I like to go a little bit heavy on my bronzer because it's the first to go on there. It look cute. Oh, I like that face. Hey guys, so it's Sunday and we have just been chilling. Chill Sunday. Just chilling and watching One Tree Hill. Do y'all remember this show from back in the day? Yeah, this is season 6 or 7, I believe. We've been watching it some of yesterday and all day today, so that's what we've been doing. We just ordered crab legs, so that's what we're waiting on right now to eat, and then after I eat, I'll probably get back on the road and head back home. I'm so tired, but last night it was a fun night. We had fun. I don't know if y'all seen the clips, but it was fun. Got the seafood, got the drinks. Seen that little nice stuff.
Yeah, with the shoe. Yeah. I just feel like he knew he probably wouldn't have got as much clout as he did for him not coming out before he started that song. I just feel like most gay rappers and stuff, like they don't get as much shine, or they not, you know, as much listened to as a regular rapper do. What you think about Saucy Tantana?
Him and Carisha be getting I be laughing so much on their live.
I love them when they be getting on live and they be talking about each other. She be like, oh, why the hell your body so big? And that's what she said, why your body so big but your voice so small? I don't like that. But Uzi, like, he be treating JT good.
I didn't think she really liked him like that.
Me either. Uzi like a little ass baby. That's why I think of when I see him, or a little kid trying to play with toys.
They gonna say the Moneybagg Yo and Ari broke up yesterday.
You know, Ari always trying to break up with Moneybagg.
I think she do it just to...
Just for the fun of it.
Yeah.
I feel like she sit there and tell this nigga, you finna do this, nigga, fuck you, type shit.
And then call him a little later on.
And Moneybagg probably be like, man, that bitch tripping today. I talk to her tomorrow. Shit. I feel like that's what they be saying.
Why you sounding like the man?
Hey guys, so it has been hours later and I am finally back at home. I went to Ulta probably a few days ago and I forgot to do a little mini haul. So I got a little baggie here, and the first thing that I purchased, this is actually a repurchase, y'all. Sorry for the mess in the background. This is a repurchase and it's one of my favorite foundations, the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation in the color the Infallible Pro Matte foundation in the color Cocoa, 112 Cocoa. I love this foundation. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I was using this foundation in all of my videos, but I'm trying to branch out and use other foundations, but I still love this foundation. The next thing that I bought was the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer Glow. It's in the color Deep. This is how it looks. It is so pretty. The packaging is so pretty and glowy, and this is the color. It's so pretty. It's really, really deep and rich. The next thing that I bought, which I'm so excited about, I've been wanting this product for the longest, so I'm excited to try it out. It's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I got it in the color Butterscotch. It is super coverage, multi-use sculpting concealer. You can use it for conceal, contour, highlight, or retouch. Yeah, it's giving me kind of fawn vibes, so, but I like this color. Might not be like for highlighting, like y'all know when I highlight baby, okay, bright, but this will be good, the first concealer to put on first and then a lighter concealer afterwards. Yes, that is the end of this weekend vlog. I don't know if it's short or long. I don't know how much footage that I recap for the weekend, but I had so much fun with my bestie. I love her so much, and I thank her so much for inviting me into her home. But yes, that is the weekend vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out, and as well as click the subscribe button, as well as like this video. Thank you so much, and again, stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.